Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League on Apple TV. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now on this part, on the search bar, we're going to search for Apple TV and then click on enter. After that, just click on Apple TV. And then after you do that, if you already have an account, you can just click on sign in right here. However, if you don't have an account yet, of course, we're going to sign up. And fortunately, Apple TV offers a free trial for us to use it without paying any money. So just click on accept free trial right here. And then after that, of course, in this part, what we're going to do next is to put our email. So just put your email right here and then click on continue. After that, you'll just have to put your code that was sent through your email. After that, we're now going to put our payment method. So of course, we're just going to put our payment type. So put your card number right here, your billing address, and then once you do that, of course, we're going to click on confirm. And then once you have successfully availed their subscription, you will now gonna be able to watch Premier League inside Apple TV. So all you have to do is to wait for Premier League to start streaming in order for you to watch it live. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.